Hello guys, as you can see I'm working today. I work on the Nissan, no crank, no start. Right now I'm trying to remove the starter. As you can see, the starter connector is corroded and all the starter has a rust on it. I'm going to remove the starter, check the starter outside and clean the connector, because now I already know the cable is no good. The 12-volt power don't come into the starter. It's not very easy to remove that because I remove the battery and the ECU to have some space to remove the starter. So have a good day. See you back.